Everybody, it's Dr. Payne coming on here to talk about clean eating. If I had $1 for every time someone told me, Doc, I'm bored, I'm so tired, healthy food is so boring. That's not true. In all of our eating, even if you are eating on plan or off plan, you can kind of repeat the same dishes over and over again. Trust me, I know. I'm a wife, I'm a mom, and sometimes I have to shake it up. So I visit cleanfoodcrush.com. She has great recipes. This is one of them. I put it in video format because you guys love video, but check out that website for more delicious recipes. I will continue to feature great recipes here on my page as well as in the group. So need inspiration, I'm gonna pull together from the best resources on the internet and provide it to you. So I hope you enjoy this one. Make those lunches, make your meal prep. You can do it. Enjoy.